Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. Last week, my friend asked me, what are your financial goals? And I said, to have more money? She laughed and said, that's not a goal, that's a wish. I was so confused. What's the difference? Then she started using words like short-term objectives, retirement planning, wealth building, financial security, and I realized I didn't know how to talk about money goals in English. Financial goals aren't just about wanting more money. They're specific plans with timelines, amounts, and purposes, like save $5,000 for emergency fund by December, or pay off credit card debt in 12 months. Understanding financial goals vocabulary is crucial. Whether you're talking to a banker, a financial advisor, or just planning your future, you need these words. Today, we're learning all about financial goals, what they are, how to set them, how to talk about them, and the vocabulary that makes you sound financially savvy. And to help me today, my financially focused co-host Ben is here. Ben, do you have financial goals?
Absolutely. I have three main financial goals right now. Build a 6-month emergency fund by June, save $10,000 for a down payment on a house, and invest 15% of my income for retirement.
Wow. See everyone? Those are real financial goals. Specific, measurable, time-bound.
Nodding enthusiastically. Today, we'll teach you how to set and talk about financial goals like a pro.
Confident expression. By the end, you'll plan your financial future in English.
Rubbing hands together excitedly, let's build wealth together.
Pointing forward with smile. Here we go.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a financial goal?
Yes, because I want more money is not a goal.
A financial goal is a specific target for your money. It has 3 parts: what you want, how much, and by when.
So instead of I want to save money, you say,
I want to save $5,000 by December 31st. See? Specific amount, specific date.
oh, that's so much clearer. What are the main types of financial goals?
Short-term goals, medium-term goals, and long-term goals.
What's the difference?
Short-term is less than 1 year, like save $1,000 in 3 months.
Medium term?
Medium-term is 1 to 5 years, like save $20,000 for a car down payment in 3 years.
And long term?
Long-term is 5+ years, usually big goals, like save $500,000 for retirement by age 65.
So I could say my short-term goal is to save $500 this month. My long-term goal is to buy a house in 10 years.
Perfect! You're getting it. Now, why are financial goals important?
They give you direction?
Exactly! They give purpose to your money. Without goals, you just spend randomly.
So goals help you make decisions, like, should I buy this expensive coffee? No, because I'm saving for my emergency fund.
Yes! Goals also keep you motivated. When you see progress, you feel good.
And you can track your progress. I saved $2,000 out of $5,000, almost halfway there.
Exactly. Financial goals turn dreams into reality.
Now let's talk about common financial goals people have.
First, emergency fund goals. Anna, do you know what an emergency fund is?
Is it money for emergencies?
Yes. Money saved for unexpected problems. Car repairs, medical bills, job loss.
How much should you save?
Financial experts recommend 3 to 6 months of living expenses.
So if my monthly expenses are $2,000, I need $6,000 to $12,000?
Exactly. You could set a goal. Build an emergency fund of $10,000 by the end of next year.
That's specific. What's another common goal?
Debt repayment goals. Paying off credit cards, student loans, car loans.
Like, pay off $5,000 credit card debt in 12 months.
Perfect example. Third type, Saving for major purchases.
Like what?
Down payment for a house, buying a car, paying for a wedding, going on vacation.
Save $30,000 for a house down payment in 4 years. Save $3,000 for a vacation to Europe.
Yes! Fourth type, investment goals.
Investment? That sounds complicated.
It's just using money to make more money, like putting money in stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts.
So, invest $500 per month in my retirement account is a goal?
Exactly. Or build an investment portfolio worth $100,000 in 10 years.
Wow! What about retirement goals?
Very important. Most people should think about retirement early.
What's a good retirement goal?
It depends on age and lifestyle. But example, save $1 million for retirement by age 65.
1 million? That's a lot.
It sounds big, but if you start early and invest regularly, it's achievable.
Thoughtful. What other goals are there?
Education savings, saving for college or your children's education.
Example, save $50,000 for my child's college education in 15 years.
Perfect. Also, wealth building goals. Increase net worth to $500,000 by age 50.
What's net worth?
Everything you own minus everything you owe. Assets minus debts.
So if I own $100,000 but owe $30,000, my net worth is $70,000.
Exactly. You're learning so fast. Excited rubbing hands. Now let's learn how to set good financial goals.
I'm ready. Teach me.
Use the SMART method. S-M-A-R-T.
Curious face. We learned this for other goals. Does it work for money too?
Nodding firmly. Absolutely. S is for specific. Don't say save money. Say exactly how much.
Practicing. Bad goal. Save money. Good goal. Save $5,000.
Clapping. Yes. M is for measurable. You must be able to track progress.
Understanding. So I can check. I've saved $2,500 out of $5,000. That's 50%.
Excited. Perfect. A is for achievable. The goal must be realistic.
So if I earn $2,000 per month, I shouldn't set a goal to save $10,000 in 1 month.
Right, that's impossible. Be ambitious, but realistic.
R is for relevant. The goal should matter to your life.
Yes, don't save for a car if you don't need one. Choose goals important to you.
And T is for time-bound. Set a deadline.
Save $5,000 by December 31st, 2026. Clear deadline.
I will save $3,000 for an emergency fund by saving $250 per month for 12 months.
Perfect SMART goal. Specific, $3,000. Measurable, $250 a month. Achievable, relevant, time-bound, 12 months.
I did it! What's the next step?
Write it down. Research shows written goals are more likely to happen.
Write it down. Got it.
Continuing, break it into smaller steps. Big goals feel overwhelming.
Instead of save $12,000 in 1 year, think save $1,000 per month.
Or even save $250 per week, whatever feels manageable.
Small steps are less scary.
Important point, track your progress regularly, weekly or monthly.
How do I track?
Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook. Check, how much have I saved? Am I on track?
And if I'm behind?
Adjust. Cut more expenses, find extra income, or extend the timeline.
It's okay to adjust goals, right?
Absolutely. Life changes. Be flexible, but don't give up.
Now let's learn the specific vocabulary for discussing financial goals.
Action verbs for goals.
Save, invest, pay off, eliminate, build, accumulate, grow.
Save means keep money. Invest means use money to make more.
Pay off or eliminate means get rid of debt.
Build or accumulate means gradually increase. Grow means make bigger.
I want to save $10,000.
I plan to invest in stocks.
I'm working to pay off my loans.
I'm building my emergency fund.
I'm growing my wealth.
Financial goal phrases.
My financial goal is to, I'm working toward, I plan to achieve, I aim to reach.
I'm striving to. My target is. My objective is. I'm focused on.
My financial goal is to save $20,000. I'm working toward financial independence.
I plan to achieve debt-free status. My target is to retire at 60.
Financial milestone vocabulary.
Financial independence, financial freedom, financial security, debt-free, net worth, passive income.
What's financial independence?
Having enough money that you don't need to work. Your investments cover your expenses.
Wow, that's the dream.
Financial freedom is similar. Freedom to make choices without money worries.
And financial security.
Having stable income, emergency fund, no overwhelming debt, feeling safe about money.
Practicing. My goal is to achieve financial security. I want to reach financial independence.
Adding passive income means money you earn without active work, like rental income or dividends.
Impressive. This vocabulary makes me sound so professional.
Now let's talk about challenges, because financial goals aren't always easy.
Yes, what if I can't reach my goal?
First, vocabulary for challenges.
Listing, setback, obstacle, difficulty, struggle, fall behind, off track.
Explaining. Setback means temporary problem. Obstacle means barrier.
Adding, fall behind means not making enough progress. Off track means not following the plan.
Demonstrating. I had a setback this month. Car repair cost $500.
I'm falling behind on my savings goal.
Unexpected expenses threw me off track.
What do you do when this happens?
Reassess, adjust, revise, modify, extend the deadline.
So it's okay to change the goal?
Yes, I'm reassessing my timeline. I'm adjusting my monthly savings amount.
I'm revising my goal to be more realistic. I'm extending my deadline by 6 months.
The key is don't give up. Adjust, don't abandon.
Adjust, don't abandon. I love that.
Positive vocabulary for progress.
On track, making progress, ahead of schedule, reached a milestone, hit a target.
On track means going according to plan.
Making progress means moving forward.
Ahead of schedule means doing better than planned.
I hit my target. I reached a milestone.
I'm on track to reach my goal.
I'm making great progress.
I'm ahead of schedule. I saved $3,000 instead of $2,500.
I hit my first milestone, $5,000 saved.
Celebrate small wins. Every milestone matters.
Yes, I paid off one credit card. I saved my first $1,000. Celebrate.
Final advice vocabulary. Words for giving and getting advice.
You should consider. It's important to, don't forget to, make sure to.
You should start with an emergency fund. Consider automating your savings.
It's important to track your spending. Don't forget to review your goals monthly.
Make sure to celebrate your progress.
This vocabulary helps me talk about money confidently.
And confidence leads to better financial decisions.
What an empowering episode about financial goals.
We learned so much practical vocabulary.
We learned what financial goals are, types of goals, how to set SMART goals, vocabulary for discussing them and handling challenges.
From emergency fund to financial independence.
Your homework this week: set one financial goal using the SMART method.
Write it down. Make it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound.
Not save money, but save $1,000 for emergency fund by June 30th, 2026.
Start small if you need to. Even $50 per month is a great start.
Share your goal with someone. Say it out loud in English.
My financial goal is to practice saying it.
Remember, financial goals give your money purpose.
They turn wishes into plans and plans into reality.
And now you have the vocabulary to talk about them professionally.
Whether with a banker, advisor, or friend.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If this episode helps you plan your financial future, please share it.
And subscribe. We're building your English and your future.
Keep learning, keep growing.
Until next time, set those goals.
Track that progress.
Your financial future starts today.
You can do this.
Set goals, take action, build wealth.
See you next week.
Happy saving. Goodbye.